Hello students, today we are going to discuss the thermochemistry experiment. The aim of this experiment is to determine the enthalpy of copper sulfate in water at room temperature. So this is the reaction. When copper sulfate dissolve in water, we get CuSO4. The H2O molecule which is attached to the copper sulfate, it will mix with the H2O and there is a change in the temperature we can observe. For this experiment, we require one polythene bottle, thermometer and stirrer. Then we have taken here copper sulfate. The first procedure is you have to take 25 ml of water into this polythene beaker and measure its temperature. Now you can see that it is 25 degrees Celsius. This is the initial temperature of water. This will be our T1. Add 7 gram of copper sulfate into this polythene bottle. Fix the thermometer and shake the bottle till all the copper sulfate dissolve. See, the copper sulfate is completely dissolved and you can see there is a rise in temperature. 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature is there. So it's 27. So 27 is our final temperature of the solution when copper sulfate is completely dissolved in the water. Change in temperature, that is delta T, is 27 minus 25, it is equals to 2 degrees Celsius. Now the specific heat capacity of water is 4.184, it is constant. Now we will see the calculation of this study. Now the calculation part. Heat absorbed for dissolution of 0.5 gram of copper sulfate, that we are going to calculate. The formula is Q is equal to Ms into delta T. M is the mass, then S is the enthalpy of the water and T, delta T is the change in temperature, final temperature minus initial temperature, that is 2 degrees Celsius. So our Q is 213.38 joule. Now the mole of copper sulfate dissolved is equal to mass of copper sulfate upon molar mass of copper sulfate. So 0.5, it is the mass of copper sulfate, for it we are calculating, and molar mass is 249, it is equals to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. So this is the moles of copper sulfate dissolved. Now 213.38 joule is the heat absorbed when 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole of copper sulfate dissolved in the bottle. Therefore, the enthalpy is 213.38 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. The delta H is 10669 joule per mole. It is converted in kilojoule, 10.669. So the result of our experiment is the enthalpy of dissociation of given copper sulfate is 10.669 kilojoule per mole. Thank you.